Welcome to this affirmations video. Today, we'll be focusing on positive messages that will help you to stay motivated, focused, and confident. We'll be taking a break from the busyness of life and connecting with our inner peace. Repeat these affirmations to yourself and feel your energy and optimism grow. Let's take 2 deep breaths together before we begin. Repeat after me. I can achieve greatness and make an impact. Challenges are opportunities for growth. I am confident in my abilities. I am resilient and overcome setbacks. I am motivated to pursue my passions. I believe in myself and my vision. I push myself out of my comfort zone. I surround myself with positive people. I am grateful for my progress and strive for growth. I am proud of myself and celebrate my successes. Let's take one last deep breath to secure these affirmations. Repeat these affirmations as many times as you'd like. Thank you for joining me in this journey. You are always welcomed here. Join us on our journey and stay connected by subscribing to our channel. Let's find inner peace together. We hope to see you again soon.